always so scared to have it too loud. Just go live there. Hello.
Oh, hello. You're hearing.
Yes, you're definitely hearing that. Hmm?
Yes.
Hello. And is it not too loud? No, it's not. Yes. Is that good? Imbo? Yes.
Imbo.
Put it in, Mum. Where's that one? Where? Where is it?
What is that?
Okay. It doesn't seem too loud, hey? No, it's fine with that. Okay, and we're going to switch it off again.